The Ford F-150 has always been more than just a pickup truck. It's a symbol of power, reliability, and American muscle. And now, for 2026, Ford has taken its best-selling truck to an entirely new level. From a bold exterior redesign to a high-tech luxury interior and engine sound that commands attention, the 2026 Ford F-150 is built to dominate roads, job sites, and highways alike. Today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about the 2026 Ford F-150, focusing on three key areas: sound, interior, and exterior. So, buckle up, because this truck means business. Exterior design, bold, modern, and aggressive. The first thing you'll notice about the 2026 Ford F-150 is its commanding presence. Ford has refined the design while keeping the iconic F-Series DNA intact. The front fascia now features a more aggressive grille, with sharper lines and a wider stance that instantly tells you this truck is ready for action. The headlights have been redesigned with advanced LED technology, offering improved visibility and a more modern look. The signature C-shaped daytime running lights give the truck a futuristic edge, especially at night. Around the back, the taillights are sleeker and more sculpted, blending perfectly with the tailgate design. Ford continues to use its high-strength, military-grade aluminum alloy body, making the 2026 F-150 both lightweight and incredibly durable. This means better fuel efficiency without sacrificing strength. New wheel designs, updated color options, and enhanced aerodynamics complete the look, making this one of the most visually striking F-150s ever built. Whether it's parked or in motion, the 2026 Ford F-150 looks powerful from every angle. Interior, where tough meets luxury. Step inside the 2026 Ford F-150, and you'll quickly realize this isn't just a work truck. It's a mobile command center. Ford has completely elevated the interior experience, blending rugged functionality with premium comfort. The cabin features high-quality materials throughout, including soft-touch surfaces, brushed metal accents, and available leather seating. The dashboard layout is clean, modern, and driver-focused. At the center, you'll find a massive touchscreen infotainment system running the latest version of Ford's SYNC technology. This system offers seamless smartphone integration, voice commands, navigation, and real-time vehicle data. The digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel is fully customizable, allowing drivers to display performance stats, navigation maps, or off-road information with ease. Comfort is a top priority in the 2026 F-150. The seats are wider, more supportive, and available with heating, ventilation, and even massage functions in higher trims. Rear passengers also benefit from increased legroom and improved seat cushioning, making long trips more enjoyable for everyone. Storage is another strong point. From deep center consoles to underseat storage and smart compartments, Ford has designed the interior to be as practical as it is stylish. Sound, engine roar, and cabin silence. Now, let's talk about one of the most exciting aspects of the 2026 Ford F-150, the sound. Under the hood, Ford offers multiple engine options, including updated EcoBoost engines, a powerful V8, and an advanced hybrid variant. Each engine delivers its own unique sound profile, but all of them share one thing in common: authority. The V8 produces a deep, throaty growl that truck enthusiasts will absolutely love. It's bold, aggressive, and instantly recognizable. The turbocharged EcoBoost engines deliver a refined yet powerful tone, with a satisfying surge of sound during acceleration. Meanwhile, the hybrid model balances power and efficiency with a quieter, more controlled engine note. Inside the cabin, Ford has worked hard to reduce unwanted noise. Advanced sound insulation and acoustic glass help block out road and wind noise, creating a calm and quiet driving environment. This makes conversations clearer and music more immersive. Speaking of music, the available premium sound system transforms the cabin into a concert hall. With crisp highs, deep bass, and balanced mids, the audio quality is impressive whether you're listening to music, podcasts, or navigation instructions. Driving experience: smooth, powerful, and confident. The 2026 Ford F-150 isn't just about looks and sound. It's about how it feels on the road. The suspension system has been refined to provide a smoother ride, even on rough terrain. Steering is precise, and the truck feels surprisingly agile for its size. Advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree cameras make driving safer and easier than ever. Whether you're towing heavy loads, navigating city streets, or heading off-road, the F-150 handles it all with confidence. Final thoughts: the ultimate pickup evolution. The 2026 Ford F-150 proves once again why it remains the king of pickup trucks. Its bold exterior design turns heads, the luxurious interior redefines comfort, and the powerful sound delivers pure driving excitement. This truck isn't just built to work, it's built to impress. Whether you're a longtime Ford fan or considering your first pickup, the 2026 F-150 offers a perfect balance of power, technology, and style. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the sound, interior, and exterior of the 2026 Ford F-150, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.